Hey, it's John-Marc, and I'm excited to share this new lesson. Well, actually, it is new because you're watching it with me. Hey, just being silly, of course. Now, today's lesson, we're going to be working on how to create this cute little clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. One of these little clocks I had as a child, and I wanted to share this cute little clock. So, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Tick tock, tick tock. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what I did with this cute little clock is I took something from my old past. Maybe you have something that you have as a child that you saved for all those years. Take something out like that that you enjoyed and turn it into a little cartoon. All right, as always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.